I just finished. It was great. I did it with this voice. Someone gave me a cough drop. All right, elevator going down. Good morning. I know I look absolutely crazy, but I figured the glasses will help diffuse how crazy I look right now. Basically, as you can see, I lost my voice. I have one audition today and I have one tomorrow. This is like serious actor drama. I'm waiting for them to get into the office to tell me, should I still go or not? Okay, so I'm gonna shut up now to let my voice rest. Like ran out of the house. I threw on some foundation. I have to finish my makeup. I also brought tea with me. Trying to get my voice better, and then yeah, I need to do something to my face so I don't look like I'm just dying. I just finished. It was great. I did it with this voice. Someone gave me a cough drop. All right, elevator